Do you feel tired when you're speaking? Pain in your throat? A husky voice? A quiet voice and you can't get the energy out? It seems like you can't project and it's all whispery like this, or it feels tight like that. You see, what happens is if you don't know how to look after your voice, then it doesn't work for you and it causes you to not want to speak. So the longevity is not there for you, meaning you can't speak for a long time and you feel like you have to clear your voice all the time or drink water all the time. See, that's not going to help because those actual feelings that you're having in your body, in your throat, are actually stress and strain and fatigue and tightness. I'm going to show you in this course what you can do to feel a little bit more open, freer, to have space in your mouth, to get rid of the tension in your jaw, to relax your tongue and open your mouth in a way that the words and the volume comes out freely. And when you can do this, people feel at ease when they're listening to you. They feel that you're comfortable with what you're saying and that you're passionate and interested and that you're willing to put your heart into it and you're not holding back anymore, kind of gripping with your jaw and keeping the words back.